Was really desperate lah, for no job. I've been applied job for driver to the company. Until today, no news. I met Arjun for helping lah, no. So he helped me a lot lah, no. Until today lah, ask for something. I mean, I need a blender, like that. Okay, he said, okay, no problem. In August, I cook about 5 tubs, plus with the fish set down, and extra gravy for those the dancer or the actor and the singer also lah, the musician also lah. Last 3 hours prepare for my order, no. Then sudden the thing spoil, cannot the grind cannot move, and got smoke also. So can't be helped, no, cannot use. And then I ask for the blender. They give me they support me lah. I mean, thanks for them. Really, thank you. Use this blender, I can do faster lah. No? So how many tubs you want? I cook more gravy lah for them. Thank you for Christmas present blender from Mr. Arun and company.